Good morning, everyone. Good morning, and welcome back to another watch video. Today I'm not filming this on my G7X. I'm going to film it on my iPhone because it's easier for me to show you the watch. My Seiko has arrived, my second Seiko. Those of you who have been watching my videos know that I just purchased a SKX007 Japan-made diver's watch. You can watch the video here or here, I'll link it. This is my new one, which I ordered a little while ago, and I didn't buy it from Creation Watches, where I bought my SKX007 because they didn't have it in stock. I bought it off eBay, off an eBay seller. I'll put the link in the description. It was sent through eBay's global shipping thing to Bahrain. It took a little while to get here, but they did say it would arrive by the 27th, and it has arrived by the 27th. The first thing you notice with this watch, and some of you already know what this is, and you can see that by the number there. I'll give it away. That is not the price I paid for it. 525 US must be the retail price. I did not pay 525 US, I paid much less. A lot less, maybe half. So this is it. This one is loud. And when I say that, and like I said, the box is slightly different. It's actually quite a nice box. The bottom of the box is a bit like rubberized. And there it is. There it is. What is this, some of you say? This is the gold turtle. This is the gold turtle. Gold plated, not solid gold, of course. Automatic movement. This is, I think, a 45 millimeter. I hope I've got that right. I don't know the full specs of it at the moment. I just have actually pulled it out of the box already because I set the date and time. I'm in Bahrain, so that's today and that's today's time. It comes in a nicer box than my other one. This is it. It's pretty nice. And the rubber strap is very soft on the outside, very quite pliable actually, very pliable. But this is it, and then it's the SRPC44, 525 US dollars. Like I said, it wasn't 525 US dollars. Seiko Prospex. I'm not sure if it's Japan made. Maybe some of you other guys would know about it. I love this watch, and I have to tell you, I had an inkling that I wanted this watch, and then I saw, and I've said this before in my live Instagrams that I've been doing on watches, I saw Mr. Matt Farah from Smoking Tire was wearing this watch. He had it on a strap code gold Jubilee bracelet. As you can see, it's still got the stickers on it. This is polished. This is brushed. It's got quite good lume. I think the dial's not flat, I don't think. It's not a flat color. It's 200 meters diver's watch, automatic movement. This one has got the different movement. This has got the, I'm not sure of the reference number, but you can actually wind it as well as shaking it. I do like the turtle. My friend bought one as well recently in the silver. I was tempted to get the turtle instead of my SKX007, but I bought the SKX007 because it was discontinued. But I don't know about you guys, but it's loud, but it's not that loud. And then the back of the strap has got this texture. The strap is really long. I'll put it on for you in a second. I'm not sure if I love this keeper in metal. I think it would have been better in rubber. So it's Seiko branded on the buckle. It's Seiko branded here. It's day and date. Automatic, like I said. 60-minute markings on the bezel. That'd be an aluminium. So this would be aluminium bezel. I thought the dial had some gradient to it, some radial gradient to it. I think it shows up different in sunlight. I think that's the difference. Gold hands. It's very nice, I have to say. It's a really nice looking watch. And the packaging is actually better than the other one. It does say, and I can't even read that because I'm looking at through the iPhone, but it does say Japan down here, but it doesn't actually say made in Japan. Yeah, so this is the watch. So like I said, it's a Seiko Prospex. It's a Seiko Prospex SRPC44. It's a real 70s looking watch, which is I really like about it. Like I said, Matt Farah had it on, and he had it with the strap code Jubilee bracelet. The strap code Jubilee bracelet, gold bracelet, is the bracelet that I'm going to buy for this watch. I'm going to go full gold. They don't have it in stock at the moment, strap code, because of the coronavirus COVID-19 situation, and their factories are closed. I think their factories are in Hong Kong. It's very similar to a Panerai strap, this detailing here. So I'm going to buy the full gold, the full gold bling look for it. I think it'll look really cool. I'm going to put it on and show you to my wrist in a minute. But I think it's, it's obviously it's a PVD finish. It'd be interesting to see how the finish works. The movement, I'm just checking now to see what the movement is because I couldn't remember. It's the Seiko's automatic movement. It's called the 4R36 movement. Obviously, like I said, it's got the day and the date display. Day and date display. Hacking and hand winding. The dark gray metallic sunburst dial, which you can't really see in this light, but I think if I show it to you in the sunlight, I'll take a picture outside and post it to my Instagram so you can see it. The hands are gold tone and the markers are fine golden metallic surrounds, which you can see now in the video. But I'm liking it. I've never been a big fan of gold watches, and I have been looking at gold Rolex, and obviously that's a completely different scenario. But I do like the idea of having a gold watch. I know this is not proper gold, but I like how you can wear it. I'm going to wear this like my other Seiko. I'm going to swim in it. I'm going to run in it. I'm going to do everything that you should be doing in a watch. I'm not going to be precious with it. Like I said, my mate bought the SRPC44, which is very similar to this in the silver. I was going to buy that instead of my SKX007. That's why I wanted to get the turtle. The turtle is a bigger case. It's a bigger case than my SKX007. I'll do another video showing you the two, comparing the two watches. That'll be the next video that comes up, the next watch video. I think for me the size is quite good. I don't think the size is a problem. The stainless steel case back, I won't take the sticker off at the moment. The stainless steel case back for the Golden Diver, water resistance to 200 meters. What else does it have? The silicone strap, the rubber strap, which feels very comfortable. It's quite pliable. I'm tempted to put on my green NATO, my green chevron from Crown and Buckle. I think it'll look pretty good on the green fabric chevron strap. The chevron strap from Crown and Buckle is a mix of like NATO and Perlon. I'm not sure, like I said, about this gold hardware. I'm not so sure about that. But in general, I mean, you can see the case is quite thick. The one thing that I did notice, and it's not a problem because it has a lot of holes. The watch band actually has a lot of holes, and that's probably a little bit tight for me, but actually it's okay. So there it is on the wrist. There's a lot of strap overhang. I know that bothers some people. It doesn't bother me. Like I said, Seiko branding, it feels great on the wrist. It is the size that I like. And I think it looks fantastic. I think it looks absolutely amazing, and I'm really, really happy with it. And I think it's a very cool watch, and I'm not saying that because I own it now, but it's a very cool watch. And I think the two Seikos that I have now, being this and the SKX007, is great. The only other Seiko that I wouldn't mind buying is the Seiko, the green version, which is coming out, and I know my mate's got his eye on that one as well. It's the green limited edition, I think, which comes out this month, it comes out in July. The other good thing about Seiko is this always feels like quality clicks. It really does feel like a quality watch. And like I said, this watch, I didn't pay retail. They are reduced. You can buy them on Amazon. I bought mine off eBay. The seller was in New York. Like I said, I'll put a link to him below because they were very quick in shipping it. And that's it. that's my gold turtle from Seiko diver's watch, Prospex diver's watch, the SRPC44. Recommended retail was $525. Basically, I think when these came out, it was only like $30 or $40 US more than buying an SRP 777 in the steel. And this is the gold. I think it's very cool. I'm very, very happy. But I will do another video where I compare the SKX 007 and the gold turtle. And I will, hopefully by then, strap code, actually it won't be by then, but hopefully I'll be able to order my strap code Jubilee gold bracelet so I can do the whole full gold look. I can't speak this morning, sorry. The full gold look on my turtle. But I guess, you know, it's a bit of a hark to the 70s. I love it. And I want to say thanks, Matt Farah, for posting that image on Instagram, because of you, I've actually done the deal on this watch, where before I was sitting on the fence. But that's it. Seiko. Seiko and Rolex, a very good combination, I think, in my books. Anyway, if you have any questions about this watch, please let me know in the comments. I might do another live Instagram on this one, but I'll do a post and let you guys know. So that's it. If you like the watch, give it a thumbs up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other straps I should be looking at. Like I said, I'm going to get the strap code Jubilee Gold strap. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye for now.